Hello from the Stevens Tractor Company. This video is showing how easy the setup and installation of our universal equipment stand is. As you will see, it will take less than a minute before you're ready to go for an easier hookup to your tractor. Once connected to your tractor, the only thing left to do is pull the pin and place the stand in its upright position. For more information, please give us a call or visit our website at stevenstractor.com. This information and more will be in the description box below. So as always, thanks for watching and have a blessed day.